Hello and welcome to my channel. I recently received a question when the owner is not satisfied with 10.25 inches when imitating the upgraded navigation screen of the original car. Is there a better upgrade plan? Based on the original car, he didn't want the screen to be too big. I also don't want the product to look like an installed product. I hope he is like the original factory. It is naturally integrated into the interior of the entire car. So today, we chose a new generation of 15.8-inch central control large screen compared to the traditional 10.5-inch screen. Ours has an ultra-thin design, ultra-narrow borders, and a larger display area without affecting the driving line of sight. The overall proportions seem very coordinated. Driving experience is more comfortable. The entire process uses a dedicated car design. No need to break the line, no need to reroute. Direct plug-in installation. Then let's start the installation. First, we remove the middle trim with a skid plate. Press left and right in turn. Start key, double flash button. Remove the wiring harness of the trend assembly. After, we remove the two screws at the bottom of the central control of the original car. Remove the central control of the original car. Press and hold the LVDS cable pallet to unplug it. Remove the two screws from the air conditioner panel of the original car. Remove the original car air conditioner panel. Here we can see the original car main engine. Remove the screws on both sides of the main engine of the original car. Unplug the original car hose. Remove the original car power cord. Remember that it's the main frame that really controls the car, our Android big screen. It just works with the system of the car. Therefore, all the functions of the original car are still retained. Unplug the green fiber optic cable on the original car power cord. Plug in our 15.8-inch LCD navigation with power adapter cable. Connect with the original car power cord on the other end of the patch cord. Green fiber optic cable connected to the original car at the same location. Then plug our power adapter cable into the original car host. Fix the wires and put them back on the center console. Then put the original car main engine back in place. Remove our USB cable. Enter the center console from the storage box and set aside. Use a skid plate to pry off the trim on the outside of the passenger. Remove GPS antenna and 4G antenna. Push the interface into the center console from the outside of the co-pilot. Lean. Attach the other end to a column and install it. Next, install the air conditioner panel back. Remove the 15.8-inch navigation bracket. Load into the center console and stabilize. Thread the wiring harness of the navigation screen into the bracket and leave it there. Take out our 15.8-inch LCD navigation screen. Next, we connect the harness. Organize the wiring harness and put it into the bracket. Align the bayonet on the back of the screen with the bracket bayonet. You can easily install the screen. Then install the bracket back to the center console. Screws on both sides of the bottom of the mounting bracket. Plug the middle trim wiring harness back in and install it. At this point, our 15.8-inch LCD navigation screen is installed. Next, we test the effect. The screen lights up normally. The original car functions normally. iDrive knob works fine. Steering wheel buttons are normal. Sound normal. Video playback is normal. Wireless CarPlay connection works. Navigation function is normal. The whole system runs very smoothly. The aluminum alloy body also makes the entire interior look more advanced. Sometimes it's not that the bigger the screen, the better, the size that really fits, to make the entire driving experience more perfect. If you upgrade this set of BMW F10 navigation, have any questions? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.